Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ivy and I'm a full-time mom and a DIYer. So today we're going to install door trim as part of our home improvement projects. Ito yung door na gagawin natin. As you can see, wala na siyang door trim because I already removed it. This was the previous style of the door trim. So we're trying to eliminate all these door trims in our house. Most of our door trims, napalitan na namin siya like this. Can you show, Daddy? Very nice and neat. It's white. What we're going to do next is, these are foams from the insulation. Linisin muna natin siya. For this project, before we start, I'm going to show you the materials that I need. Hello guys, I'm introducing to you my apprentice. What is your name?
My name is EJ.
This is my apprentice, EJ. And we're going to show you the tools and materials that we need for our project. First, we need the safety goggles. Show me your safety goggles. Okay, and then we need the pencil, a tape measure, we need a nailer, this is a nailer, compressor, and these are the materials that we're going to use. Earlier, we came from Home Depot. And these are the trims that we chose for our project. How are you, EJ? How's everything there?
Good.
So, ipa-flatten lang natin to para lapat na lapat yung trim pag nilagay natin.
Good.
Place na natin yung gilid ng door. Ang next na gagawin natin is i-nail natin ang trim sa pinaka-top naman. Okay? Can you help me, EJ? Can you hold this for me?
Okay.
You need a step ladder or a stable chair para maabot natin yung taas. Okay?
Face.
Give it to mommy.
Pwesto na natin itong door trim na ito. Enter. Dapat flush. Gilid naman. So, steady na siya. Nakabit na natin to. And then, after that, we're going to measure each side para sa dalawang trims. Mula sa floor, para sa taas. That's 83 and 316. That's 83. 83 inches. So, I'm going down to the basement para i-cut itong dalawang trims na ito. Let's go! Nakuha na natin yung measurement kanina ng dalawang trims na kailangan natin. I have this 83 and 316 and 83 inches for the other one. Ang gagamitin kong tool para i-cut natin itong wood na kailangan natin is miter saw. So this is another type of power tool. Ang advice ko lang only yung mga trained personnel lang ang pwedeng gumamit nito. So watch out kung may mga bata kayo sa bahay katulad ko, katulad namin. It's very dangerous. Kung gumagawa kayo ng mga projects using these power tools, make sure na may nagbabantay sa kanila para habang ginagamit itong mga tools na ito is hindi sila makalapit. Okay? For now, ilalagay ko muna siya sa taas para maiwasan natin yung mga accidents. Kakat na natin itong wood. I-set lang natin yung miter saw sa 0. Straight lang natin ikakat siya. Okay. Tryin muna natin yung blade kung dapat nga doon sa linya na kung saan natin ikakat. Okay siya? Perfect? Okay, let's do it. Nakat na siya. Ito yung sa left na side. And then, yung sa other side naman. Ayan. So, try lang natin. And then, there. Okay. Medyo hindi siya pantay. Balik tayo sa taas para i-nail na natin itong mga trims sa gilid. Baby! Where's my baby? Yeah. Were you looking for mommy? We're just gonna finish the project, okay? Okay? Why? Are you tired? Okay. Let's take a break for a moment. I need my apprentice. What is my apprentice doing, Daddy? Daddy?
Exercise.
Exercising? Are you warming up for the next job, EJ?
Yes.
Exercise. Your boss is on break. I need you to nail the trims over there.
Yes.
Can you do it for me?
Yes. Well, that's what the tool is.
Ipapwesto na natin ang mga wood na nakat natin kanina. Come on, let's nail it! So, ipantay lang natin siya sa likuran
Okay.
para flush.
Well, that's what the tool is.
Yun lang, para baon na baon yung nail natin.
Looks good, Mami, ah.
Ah. Mint. That sound compressor po yan. The other side. tapos na natin ini lahat ng mga door trims. That is to finalize. Mint ba, Daddy? Mint?
Oh, suabe.
Suabe.
Parang ako lang gumawa.
Ba. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from our videos. And on our next video, we'll be featuring how to do the proper caulking for this trims. And then after the caulking, we'll be painting this with white paint. If you have suggestions ng mga DIY projects, just make a comment below. If you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Bye! Okay, I want to introduce to you my apprentice again, EJ, and my second year apprentice, Zion. And there's Daddy.
Handyman, at your service.
Okay, say bye everyone. Bye. Where's Zion? Come on. Look at the mirror.
Bye.
Bye everyone. There's my apprentice doing the cleanup. Good job, EJ. EJ is such a good helper. You're a handyman. This is hard work. That's why you should study well, okay? So that you'll get a good job. Not labor jobs, okay? There's my babysitter. Zion! EJ, you're fired! Hindi mo tinapos yung work mo. Uh-oh. Do you need some help? Come on, let's do it! Let's do it together. Come!